So guys, these are the finished products of this video, like of the shoes. These are the finished product here. Jimmy is really an amazing person. He made this. There are three pairs of shoes in from scratch to nothing, and in no time. So Jimmy, thank you so much for your time. It was really a wonderful experience here. At least now I know where shoes are made and how they are made locally using local materials in an African traditional way. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
God bless you. And I like these shoes so much, and I think someone there likes it, and I'm very sure someone will call you.
Automatically, I'll wait for that.
Okay, thank you.
I appreciate that.
All right, thank you so much. Have a good time. And you too, thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I know it's really a long video, but I couldn't skip any process because I wanted you guys to watch how he started it until he ended it. Thank you so much. Just know that I love you guys.